Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by naming the VM and choosing the correct OS type. This matters because VirtualBox applies optimized defaults. Once done, set the base memory to a safe value like 2048 MB or more for modern systems. Make sure to point the VM to an ISO or existing virtual disk. Without media, you cannot proceed. You now hit Create to establish the VM container. This does not install the OS yet, but it builds the virtual hardware you will configure next. You now open Settings to tailor hardware. Increase CPU cores and enable VTX or AMDV in system acceleration for speed. Next, go to Storage and attach your ISO to the virtual optical drive so the VM can boot installer media. Set a VDI dynamically allocated file, around 2050 GB depending on needs. Make sure the network mode matches your intent. NAT for simple internet, bridged for LAN visibility. You are preparing the VM to behave like real hardware for installation. You start the VM and step through the OS installer. Follow prompts for disk partitioning, time zone, and user accounts. This is the same process as a physical machine. Once the OS is installed and running, immediately install VirtualBox guest editions from the device's menu to enable shared folders, better graphics, and seamless mouse. If the VM fails to boot, first confirm the ISO is mounted and virtualization is enabled in BIOS. Then increase memory or disable incompatible acceleration. These quick checks
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.